Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by launching Chrome right now. Make sure the browser is responsive and updated so features behave predictably. Once Chrome is open, choose your method. Use the keyboard shortcut for speed or the menu if you prefer visual steps. If you're on Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+Shift+N. On Mac, press Command+Shift+N. Make sure to close any private windows you no longer need before proceeding, so you avoid confusion. Now open the Incognito window using your chosen method. Press the shortcut if you want immediate access, or click the three-dot menu at the top right and select New Incognito Window. Once done, look for the dark theme and incognito icon to confirm privacy mode is active. This tells you Chrome won't save browsing history, cookies, or site data after you close it. Make sure any extensions you rely on are enabled, or to finish, close the Incognito window when you're done. That clears the session data from that window. If the shortcut didn't open a new window, make sure Chrome is the active application and that no other program is intercepting the key combo, then try the menu method instead. If sites still show saved logins or weird behavior, check your extension settings or browser policies. Some extensions or managed settings can alter incognito behavior, so disable or adjust them and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.